Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out this live catch mousetrap that's made in Ukraine. Now I bought this trap on eBay. It only cost $6, which was how much shipping was. It took over a month to get here, but I love testing out mousetraps from around the world. I've never tested one out from Ukraine before, and I thought it'd be a good video. It's made out of metal. It's a simple design. It has a door on back. You can take that out. The front here is a door with a powerful spring and a hook. You pull that down, hook the door into place. It's all set, ready to go. If you turn it this way, you can see the bait hook. The mouse will go inside. Want to get that bait? Pull on it. That door closes with a lot of force. Now normally I test these traps out with my pet mice, but my pet mice are pretty big. They're larger than wild mice. Their tails are long. And I think if they went in there, their tails would stick out. That's a sharp piece of metal and a powerful spring. Might cut off their tails. So I'm not going to test it out with the pet mice. But let's go set up the motion cameras in the barn and see if we can get some wild mice with this live catch mousetrap from Ukraine. Last night we set up this live catch metal mouse trap from Ukraine in the barn, and it worked well. The mouse wanted to get the bait, went in there, pulled the trigger, released the door with the spring, and got caught. Now this has really good ventilation holes. The mouse has been in there all night. You can see it, it wants to get out. Because this is a live catch trap, let's take it out in the wild and let it go. I love testing out mousetraps from different places, and we have YouTube viewers from all around the world. If you're watching from Ukraine or one of the neighboring countries, and especially if you've seen this trap before, leave a comment down below. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.